seeks India Inc. support. Optimistic of economy revival, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed confidence that Indian economy bound to bounce back in spite of severe setback caused due to forced nationwide 3-month lockdown amidst threat from most dreaded pandemic coronavirus to engulf the nation. The pandemic has already claimed more than 5,600 lives across the country and infected number moved closer to 2 lakh mark. He told Confederation of Indian Industry members who were celebrating their 125th anniversary celebrations. Addressing their e-conference in the wake of COVID-19 restrictions, he said, on the one hand, the government has responsibility to protect life of every individual and on the other, ensure restabilization of economy. This is what he said.
सबसे पहले तो सीआईआई को 125 साल सफलतापूर्वक पूर्ण करने के लिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई। ऑनलाइन इवेंट्स शायद यही एक न्यू नॉर्मल बनते जा रहा है, लेकिन ये भी इंसान की सबसे बड़ी ताकत होती है कि वो हर मुश्किल से बाहर निकलने का रास्ता बना ही लेता है। हमें एक तरफ देशवासियों का जीवन भी बचाना है, तो दूसरी तरफ देश की अर्थव्यवस्था को भी स्टेबलाइज करना है। बल्कि मैं तो गेटिंग ग्रोथ बैक से आगे बढ़कर ये भी कहूंगा कि यस, वी विल definitely get our growth back.
Well, the PM may appear more than confident, but independent financial agencies like Moody's, as well the international financial institutions such as International Monetary Fund and World Bank are projecting a negative growth rate, declaring India may as well touch its worst ever GDP this year. So are the opposition members who blame the Modi government for miserably failing to handle the worst ever health crisis, notwithstanding the fact of the rest of world praising India. But unperturbed, Modi wanted India Inc. to best utilize adverse situations into an advantage and make his government Atmanirbhar Bharat dream a reality. This is Naga Sirisha for Orange News 9 TV.